It stinks. I held my breath and then I just got a whiff of it, and that peppermint oil did not help. Alright guys, so I don't really have any exact measurements on the amount of rice that I used, but if you're someone who's big on measurements, I believe about 1 or 2 cups will be good enough for this mixture. Now I'm going in and I'm rinsing my rice. It's very important that you rinse your rice because it rids the grains of surface starches and any other chemicals that may have been left over during processing. A good indicator that you've washed your rice enough is when you notice that your water is coming out clear, I guess, if that makes sense. So when you first rinse it, you're gonna notice that the water is a cloudy kind of color, and then the more that you wash it, the more that, you know, your rice, the water will come out clear. And basically, it's up to you on how many times you want to wash your rice, but I'm someone, I really want to make sure that this is clean and, you know, ready for use, because this is something that I am going to be putting in my hair. Now I just dump the rice into the container, metal container, and I basically fill up the container all the way to the top. I do not recommend that you pour your rice water in like this because I made a really big mess. The best way to do this is to use a funnel to pour your water into your mason jars. And if you don't have a mason jar, you could use something else, but I do feel like the mason jar is the best method to use for this. And look, you can see like there's rice all over the countertop and water. It was just a big mess. But I'm gonna let this sit for about 24 hours, and we're gonna go into me measuring my hair, applying the rice water mixture, and all that. Alright, so hi guys. So today I'm gonna be doing a rice water challenge. I've been seeing on YouTube that most people, they do it like 5 days in a row. I'm not gonna do that because I think that's stupid. And rice water is a lot of protein, and I don't want to cause more harm than good. So I'm gonna do this once a week for 4 months, and I'm gonna showcase the results with you guys. I unfortunately do not have a tape measure, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to just mark certain points on my shirt to see the progress as we go on. I'm gonna start with this section. This is how long my hair is, and what it gets down to the middle of where that T is. So we're gonna hope that it can get to at least this point. So that's what I'm gonna do. So this is how long this part is. I'm gonna use this video as reference, and yeah. So this is the side of my hair. It comes down to about the same length here. So it comes down to like right here. I kind of feel like I want to do this because I feel like my hair is at a point where it's not gonna grow past a certain length. I think it's at its maximum length, so I'm hoping that I can achieve more growth through this process. And I also kind of feel like my hair isn't as thick as it used to be back when I was in high school and when I first started making videos for you guys. Now maybe it just could be me being in my head, but I just feel like me stressing due to school and me neglecting my hair and not really taking care of it like I used to, I think that has affected how my hair looks in general. But again, that's just my 2 cents. We're gonna get started on the rice water. So off camera, I went ahead and I added peppermint oil to my mixture, and I'm gonna add extra black Jamaican black castor oil as well to kind of help with promoting hair growth. So I added the Jamaican black castor oil. And you can see like the mixture is darker than it was when I first did the mixture. Put the mixture in a spray bottle. I'm gonna just spray it directly on my scalp. I don't really want to put it on my hair just because it's gonna make its way down to my hair anyways. Hi guys, I'm gonna just come out here and give you guys a few fun facts about rice water. So it's said to help treat dandruff, strengthen hair strands. It helps to stimulate hair growth, increases hair elasticity, penetrates the hair shaft to repair the hair from within. And of course, it is a protein treatment, so like I said previously, please make sure that you use it sparingly and not to use it back to back like many people on YouTube are doing, because you can damage your hair severely and cause protein overload. Rice water is also rich in minerals and vitamins such as B and C, and it contains potassium, iodine, magnesium, and zinc. I have this left. I'm gonna pour this all over my head when I get in the shower, and then this is the rest of the rice water I have as well. So what I'm gonna do with this one, I'm going to use this for next week. So this will be fermenting basically for an entire week. So better for me, but more benefits for my hair. So we're gonna just do that because I don't want to put this to waste. All right guys, so this is week 2. The last time I did the rice water rinse, it was 6 days ago. Normally I wash my hair on Thursdays, but I have somewhere to be tomorrow, so I just want to make sure my hair is dry and all the other stuff before I go out. So I'm not gonna measure my hair. I won't be measuring my hair until the last and final week. Actually, after the 4 weeks is over. So stay tuned for that. So we're gonna get started. A little heads up, the rice water I'm gonna be putting in my hair today, that's been sitting for about 6 or 7 days now. So I'm gonna put that in my hair. I'm really scared because I know it's gonna smell so bad. I put peppermint oil in it, but I don't think that's gonna save it. But we're gonna see. Hopefully I don't throw up. And yeah, so let's get started on the video. As y'all can see, the mixture is pretty dark. I'm really worried. Oh my gosh. So I put it in a spray bottle. It stinks. I held my breath. And then I just got a whiff of it, and that peppermint oil did not help my case at all. So yeah. I have to breathe through my mouth because it smells so bad. I don't think I'm gonna ever let it sit for that long because nothing will help. Nothing will save that. Good God. Whew, jeez Louise. Oh my gosh, it smells so bad. I have to go get some more peppermint oil to kind of help. I hope. I'm gonna put a shower cap on, leave this on for about 15 minutes. I'm gonna wash it out, and then I'll see you guys on the 3rd week. All right, so hey guys, so today is week 3. So I have gel all up in my hair. So this is what the mixture looks like. This has been sitting for only 24, well, a little bit over 24 hours, probably like 28, 29 hours, because I had work today. So I just got off. It's like what, 5:30 now. Put this in the spray bottle, and then we're gonna go ahead and start applying the mixture to my hair. I do feel like, now I could be wrong, my hair does look longer. I did try to like pull it down to see like how long it was, and it did look a little bit longer than I'm used to seeing it, but I did not wear the same shirt that I wore the first day that I started doing this experiment. So, but we're gonna wait until week 4 to really see like if this worked or not. So this is the mixture. I will say that this doesn't smell as bad as the last one. I put more peppermint oil this go around. I've been thinking about doing like a hair growth series where like I try out different things that are supposed to make your hair grow. So let me know if y'all would be interested in seeing that, 'cause I think that'll be pretty dope to see. It'll not only benefit me because I'm the one reaping the benefits, but also you guys as well, so then you'll see if it works or not. Alright y'all, so it looks like some rice got caught in the spray bottle. So basically what I'm gonna just do, I'm gonna just pour this over my head in the shower, leave this in for 15 minutes, and basically I'll just see you guys on week 4. And again, week 4 will include me measuring my hair and all that other cool stuff, so stay tuned for that. Alright guys, so this is week 4. Y'all are wondering about the blue hair. I'm going to be posting a video about all the details on this. I'll probably link it up here up at top. And what I'm gonna do is a day or 2 later, after my hair is already fully dried, then I will do the length check. I don't think it's right to do a length check when my hair is wet, because I feel like my hair is gonna appear longer than what it would be when dry. Plus, when I did the first length check, I did it when I was dry, so I would rather measure my hair while I was in the same state that it was in the very beginning. My only thing is my hair is starting to feel dry, and I feel like the rice water is low-key drying my hair out. But just for the sake of this video, I'm gonna just still go ahead and spray the rice water in for week 4. So let's get started on that. And I'm gonna leave this in for about 15 minutes, and then I'll be back in the next 1 to 2 days to show you guys a side-by-side comparison on whether or not my hair grew or not due to the rice water experiment. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. As you guys can see, the rice water challenge was definitely worth the hype. It did help to grow my hair. I wasn't able to come to this conclusion until I edited all the footage and put everything side by side and really saw that it did help my hair to grow. I'll probably incorporate this into my natural hair routine on maybe a monthly basis, but I hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope to see you guys later. Bye.